So guys, welcome back here. My name is Banky and this is Banky Updates. So in this video today, this is what I have for you. What I have for you is something that will bring you passive income. And this is coming from Core project. The Core crypto we mined during that period in 2022. And right now I am happy to still reintroduce the passive income from the core for you guys. I'm very happy to inform you that you can still earn a lot of money through core the way I am doing right now. Every day by day, my money work for me on core. My money work for me on the core blockchain. I don't just leave the money there on the crypto exchange. I put the money into work so that the money can work for me every day and I can earn a passive income. So how do you do it? I am going to show it right now. So this is how you are going to do it and start earning passive income through core. But before I do that, if this is your first time here on this YouTube channel and you have not subscribed to this channel, please simply do that right now before the video. Thank you. So this is the total amount of core that have been stake on this platform. Stake. This is the total amount that have been delegated by people on this Coredao blockchain. And here, these are the amount of Bitcoin that has been delegated also. There are about 408 for about 4,805 Bitcoin that are stake on the core blockchain. Right now, I think Bitcoin is around $67,000 as at the time of making this video. So that is uh about 321,993,826 dollars. That is the amount of Bitcoin stake on this blockchain right now. Why for core? I think core is around $1.3 right now, and there are about, look at it, you will see that there are about 134,776,581 core that was staged. So that is about 175,209,555 dollars in of core that was delegated on this blockchain right now. So let me show you something. For example, if you want to stake your own core, if you want to start staking your own core and start making money, passive income, you need to have core here on your wallet. Let me show it to you clearly so that you can see what I'm talking about. So you need on your wallet, I've already staked, but I still have like at least one core there, which I left there for transaction fee purpose, I claim core. When you claim, it will not show anything like this. It will not show the amount you claim, but the amount you claim, you can confirm it, you can check it here on the core scan. Here you're going to see it. The one I claimed last, I think I claimed about 18 core last. That is almost $30 as at the time I converted it to dollar. So you can see that yes, that is about 22 core. Yes, 22 core, not 18 core. This is it here, because as I stake it, as I withdraw it from staking, as I get my reward from the staking, I transfer it out to my BYBIT account for trading. I transfer it out to my BYBIT account for trading. Let me show it to you, the amount I transfer out. I transfer 22.6 core out. So this is the amount I transferred out. You can see this one is for the smart contract, is a smart contract. Why this one I transferred it out to my BYBIT account to my BYBIT wallet for transaction for to sell it because I need money. So it serve as a passive income to me. Call serve as a passive income to me. Delegating my call serve as a passive income to me. So in case you want to do your own, you need to deposit call into your MetaMask first. To deposit, you have to click on send and you have to click on receive. Yeah, you have to click on receive, then copy your wallet address and send the call you want to deposit, send it into it. So after your call is here on your wallet, on your MetaMask, the next thing you will need to do is to go to stake.coredao.org. So this is it here. That's the URL you will have to use. Stake.coredao.url.com. So that is the that.org. So that is the URL, stake.coredao.org. So after that, it will take you and bring you to this place. So these people here are all the validators, the delegator, the people you can delegate to, they are the stakers, they are the validators, they are the stakers. So you need to delegate to them. You can see people delegate to them, you can see these people, this person here, about 2 million call has been delegated to him, to its pool. This person about 2.53 million. So it's the you can see the Bitcoin that was delegated to this person, about 128 Bitcoin. This first one here, about 0.26 Bitcoin was delegated to him also. So uh I'm still going to talk about that Bitcoin part because I don't want to make this video too long. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about that Bitcoin part, what its purpose is. I'm going to show you everything, tell you everything, and how you can earn more through that. So you can see it. So what me I do most is that I find the best rate. I find the best rate. You can see this person call reward rate is 10.21. So I find the best rate. You can see this one is 9.5. So if I delegate to this person here, it will not be too, I will not get too much many reward. But delegating to this, I'm going to get more reward than that one down. So you have to delegate your call to any of your choice of the delegators, of the uh, validators here. Delegate your own to them. When you delegate it to them, then you'll be earning income from them. So this is how you are going to delegate to them. You just have to check the one you want to delegate to, then tap on it, click on their name, click on it. So when you click on it, it will bring you to their this thing, to this place like this. I'm coming. There's something I want to show you. For example, I want to delegate to this person here. So I have to click on their name, tap on their name. So it will show you something like this. You can see total delegated to this person is about 6 million, 6.6 million. And about 243 Bitcoin was delegated to the same uh, the same company. So these are the person's delegation margin. That is, this person delegates 10,000s of call by itself. So this is what you are going to do. You're going to check everything about it. Check everything. Check everything. You can see the how this delegation is moving. You can see the holders here on its delegation. You can see some people delegate 3.1 million call. Some delegate 500,000, while some delegate this like that. So those are the highest delegators on his team. Right now, you can see people trust him. They trust this. I can say this delegator, this validator. They trust him and delegate more call to him. So what you will have to do is we are going to choose him and delegate to him. So this is what we're going to click on delegate. Click on delegate. You want to delegate core, so select core here. Click on core. So the amount you want to delegate, input it here. Input the amount you want to delegate. For instance, let's say I want to delegate, let me see, maybe I can delegate less than this. Let's say I want to delegate 0.1 core now. So I think their minimum is 1 total deposit required. I think the minimum, yes, the minimum delegation is 1 core. I don't have up to 1 here, but I have already delegated before. So this is what you're going to do. You just have to input the amount of core you want to delegate. Let's say 10,000 or something like that. So after that, you click on confirm delegation. So when you click on confirm delegation, your delegation will be delegated, your core will be delegated, and in 24 hours it will not count yet. So in the next 48 hours it will now started counting. Your reward will now started counting. Then after that 48 hours, every day by days, which is 24 hours, every 24 hours or 12 hours, your money will be counting and you'll be seeing it. Let me show you my own up here. If I click here and I click on my staking. So when I click on my staking, you can see the amount I have delegated here already. You can see it. This is the amount I've delegated here already. 1,770 core. That is the amount I've delegated. I withdraw recently. I withdraw recently as I show it to you. I have already shown it to you. But if I still scroll down here, you will see that I have about 2.88 core, which I can still claim. I can claim it. If I click on claim right now, it will go to my balance. Remember, I have only 0.88 core on my balance. So let's see. You can see this validator here give me, I delegate 380 core to him, and I receive uh 0.551061 core. So this is that the amount I have received so far right now from him. I think it's about 3 days now or 2 days that I have received it, that I withdraw last, I claim last from here, from my that I claim my reward last. So you can see them, I delegate 300 to this person. I've earned about 0.498944 now. The amount I have earned here so far, you can see that I did not delegate to only one validator. I explained it because sometimes some validator might be inactive. So when they are inactive, then your money will not be counting. So I put it to the most trusted one there, the most trusted validators. I delegate to them. And in case you want to claim your this thing, in case you want to claim, but before I show you how to claim, you can see transaction record here. Let me show it to you so that you will know that I claim all the time. You can see the last one I claim is 14. Yes, 14. The one I still claim is 8. You can see the date here. You can see the date. You can see the date. This one I claim this even the same month. You can see the date. You can see the date. So you can see everything. So those are the transactions I make on this blockchain that give me passive income. So in case you want to claim your delegated core, you have to click on claim here. So when you click on claim, make sure you have maybe 0.1 core on your wallet for transaction fee. Make sure you have it there, your transaction fee. So when you click on claim, we are going to claim it right now, and they are going to deduct a transaction fee from your wallet. So let's do it now. So after you click on the claim and you claim your token finish, for in case you
Undelegate, I think I have said it before. In case you want to undelegate, this is how to do it. You can click here and click on call, undelegate call. So the amount of call you want to undelegate, you will see everything there. You're going to type in the amount you want to undelegate. So that is how it work. That is how it work, and that is how to claim your reward every day, every day, and you'll be earning passive income on this all the time. That is how. The more call you stake, the more call you delegate, the more call you delegate, the more reward you will be getting. The more reward you will be getting. The more call you delegate, the more call reward you will be getting. So you will be getting every single day by day, every single day by day. So you sometimes, instead of putting your money on something that will just perish like that, just put it on blockchain, on core blockchain, by delegating your money on it, and it will start working for you every day by day. So guys, this is what I have for you. If there is any more information that I need to let you know about this core delegation, I will still make another video. Or if there is any question you want to ask, then the comment section is there for you. Ask your question and I'm going to answer you. I'm willing to answer you. I'm going to answer all your questions there on the comment section. So guys, goodbye for now. Thank you. See you soon on my next video.